Does it make you bounce?
Okay, here are Cody's new moon shoes that Mary bought him, Mary Miller. And he almost broke his foot a few minutes ago, but he looks like he's doing pretty good now. This is a nice way to get him exercised. Cody, what do you say?
Thank you.
Are you tired out?
Let's see if... Oh my god. See what I mean? Head first. But do you love it?
Yeah.
Let's see you try to walk again. Can you walk towards me?
Alright, walk to mommy.
Were among those that tested positive in 2003. That famous list at least allegedly lawyers were saying we have inside information. Not a good way to start
You does it again.
the end of the day.
I have to go back again.
Eight Oakland fans gnashed their teeth together. Yeah, I'm sure
Take big steps. Because it's like it's just like you have super big feet, so you can't walk normally. You have to step really big.
Thank you, Mary,
Thank you, Mary,
for breaking my feet.
for breaking my feet.
We're sending you the bill, Mary, if he breaks his ankle.
We love the presents. Thank you very much. Oh, and the book? Amazing. All right, bye.